The personal computer industry has conditioned us to accept a massive, heavy metal box taking up half of our workspace just to get real, uncompromised desktop performance. We tolerated the clutter, the thick bundles of tangled cables, and the constant hum of loud cooling fans because we believed that raw computing power required massive physical volume. But behind the tightly locked doors of Cupertino, Apple has quietly executed the most radical downsizing in the history of personal computing. They didn't just update a machine. They completely redefined how much power can legally exist inside a footprint smaller than a standard coffee mug. This isn't just another routine, iterative update to a budget desktop. This is a complete architectural revolution that packs the raw speed of a high-end studio workstation into a chassis that literally slides into the palm of your hand. This is the groundbreaking Apple Mac Mini powered by the untamed M5 chip, and it is explicitly engineered to permanently disrupt your understanding of what a desktop computer can be. To understand why this tiny aluminum square is causing a literal panic among traditional PC manufacturers, you have to look at the massive engineering shift taking place beneath its sleek metal shell. For generations, compact computers were defined by painful, frustrating limitations. If you wanted something small, you had to accept low-power mobile processors that would choke the moment you opened too many browser tabs, edited a high-resolution video, or tried to compile complex code. Apple shattered that narrative with their initial silicon transition. But with the M5 Mac Mini, they are pushing the boundaries into territory that seems to defy the laws of thermodynamics. Apple has completely skipped older manufacturing processes to build the M5 chip on a highly advanced, ultra-dense 3nm architecture. Think about the sheer scale of a 3nm process. We are talking about microscopic architecture, where billions of transistors are packed onto a piece of silicon no larger than a postage stamp, with distances between components measured on an atomic scale, because the electrical signals have an incredibly short distance to travel. The M5 chip executes calculations at speeds that leave older desktop processors in the dust, all while consuming a mere fraction of the electricity. This extreme energy efficiency allowed Apple's thermal engineering team to do the unthinkable. They completely re-engineered the internal cooling system, shrinking the overall physical size of the Mac Mini enclosure by over 50% compared to previous models, making it the smallest desktop computer Apple has ever created in its entire history. But do not let that ultra-compact, minimalist footprint fool you. The true secret to the M5 Mac Mini's terrifying capability lies in its completely overhauled unified memory architecture. In a traditional desktop computer, the central processing unit and the graphics card are physically separated on a massive motherboard. Every single time your computer wants to render a video frame or process a piece of data, it has to constantly copy that information back and forth across a narrow, congested data highway between the system RAM and the dedicated video memory. This creates a massive invisible bottleneck that slows down your workflow and causes frustrating stutters. The M5 Mac Mini completely destroys this limitation by integrating up to 64 GB of ultra-low latency unified memory directly onto the chip substrate itself. This means the central processing unit, the graphics processing unit, and the advanced neural engine all look at the exact same pool of data simultaneously without